Video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to add an email subscription form to your WordPress site. This simple feature plays a huge role in keeping your audience engaged, helping you grow a loyal community, and making sure your visitors never miss your newest content. So let's get started and have your subscription form ready in just a few minutes. First, head over to wordpress.com. If you're not logged in yet, take a moment to click the login button in the top right corner of the page. Once the login options appear, choose Continue with Google. This is the quickest and most convenient method, especially if you're already logged into your Google account on your browser. If you use more than one Google account, make sure you select the one that's actually linked to your WordPress site. Choosing the wrong account is a common mistake, so double check before you click. After logging in, you'll be taken straight to your WordPress dashboard. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a section called Quick Links. These shortcuts are designed to help you move around your site quickly. From there, click on Edit Site. This opens the site editor, which is where you control how your website looks and functions. Think of this area as the main workspace where all your design customizations happen. When the editor loads, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the Add button. This is where all WordPress blocks live. Click on it, and a search bar will appear. Instead of scrolling through everything, simply type email field. This is the block specifically made for collecting email addresses from your visitors, and it's exactly what we need for your subscription form. Once the email field block appears, click on it to insert it into your page. You can place it anywhere you want, your homepage, your blog page, or even inside a dedicated sign-up section. After inserting it, you'll be able to customize its design, add a message, adjust the layout, and match it to your site's branding. A clean, simple design usually works best, but feel free to experiment until it fits the look you want. And that's it. You now have an email subscription form added to your WordPress site. This small addition can have a huge impact on your audience growth. Keep refining it, try different placements, and make sure your visitors feel encouraged to subscribe. The more inviting your form looks, the more likely people are to sign up. Thanks for watching, and keep building a website your audience will love. Happy building.